life, everything's unpredictable. Anna for father. And Gayatri Babu says it in a cute way. She says Anni because she cannot say na with the stress, I think. Child was alone for all 8 hours and that baby got scared. It has burnt. Happy wedding anniversary कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम बताओ?
तुम्हारे फेवरेट लोकेशन
हाँ?
मनी
Happy wedding anniversary is Hakshu. Uh, this is happy wedding anniversary. Oh, happy anniversary, happy anniversary, oh, happy wedding anniversary. Today's vlog is special. Wow. Our wedding anniversary today. And today's vlog is different because today's vlog starts at 12 in the night. Today is May 2nd. And the vlog is starting at 12 in the night. कैसी एनिवर्सरी है ये जिसमें दोनों बीमार पड़ गए हैं. I was seeing memories in Google Photos. 2 years back, on our wedding anniversary, we were in Goa. We went to our Kuldevasthan, that is Shantari Kamakshi temple and Mahalasanarani temple on May 1st. And May 2nd, we were on the Kalangut beaches, partying at the shacks, Andrew shacks. There we were partying, dancing. Koi kahe. Those songs, we were dancing there. And look at us this year. Sick. And 4 years back, I was seeing Google Photos memories. We were in Holiday Inn. We had a resort staycation in Holiday Inn in the central Bangalore side. There we had booked a room and, it was enjoying in the pool and relaxed staycation we had. And our honeymoon, we had gone to Thailand, Bangkok and Phuket we had gone to. So I think this year's happy wedding anniversary, last year's happy wedding anniversary was with the baby. She was 3 months old, I think, on May 2nd. We cut a cake and we were at home. No celebrations apart from that. We were with family. We had cake and all that. This year's happy wedding anniversary is Hakshu. This is happy wedding anniversary. And even if we think about it, we cannot plan anything because with Gayatri Babu, not possible, I guess, because she's very cranky and planning anything, I don't know. It's a pain. You have to carry everything of the baby if we go for any vacation or staycation. We have never gone to any vacation after she was born. I think she'll have to turn about 2-3 years before we take a vacation, I think. Otherwise, if we have to go on a vacation like we went to Rajasthan, if you haven't watched those videos, I'll leave a link in the I button. You can watch it. Our Rajasthan trip where we went roaming like 5-6 days. If we have to go like that, we have to leave the baby with baby's favorite grandmother at Udupi and we have to go. There's no other option. So the time is about 12:10 on May 2nd and happy wedding anniversary. हाँ भाई, तो बताओ कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम एनिवर्सरी ट्रिप पे? हैप्पी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम बताओ?
तुम्हारे फेवरेट लोकेशन मनी
ಏನ
ವಿತ್ 2 ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್.
ಯಾರದು 2 ಪೇಷಂಟು? ನಾನು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಕವರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯು?
ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ದ ಬೇಬಿ ದೆನ್.
No. We have stroller, no? We'll put her in stroller and take.
Not during that, even eating also.
That I don't want. No. Yeah, I will not. You will not allowed to eat in peace. No. That and all I don't know. You take me somewhere. I don't know all that. Take Dolo first.
A few moments later.
Baby, I woke up. The time is 8:30, and our cook also has come. Baby is with the cook. She used to be our nanny also. So baby loves the cook. So she's sitting on her hip and watching her cook. Singing by Gayatri Kamath Bhatt. Oh, ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಬಾಬುನ ಅನ ಓ ಹಂಗಸ್ವೆ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಬಾಬುನ ಅನ ಏಕೆ ಸರಿ ಇದು ಯಾರು ಮಾರೆ ಇದು ಬುರ್ಕಾ ಥರ ಹಾಕಿ ಓ ಗುರುಜಿ ಗುರುಜಿ is taking steam here because of nose congestion and so many things. Circus ही circus है अब्बा 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 weight lifting champion ಯಬ್ಬ 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 ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಬ್ಬ 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 ಹೂ ಹೂ ಒಬ್ಬ ಜಾವೇತ್ರ तू शंकरनाग अब्बा अय्यम्मा सुसु असेल चुडला असेल तई नी सोन पडला and amazing mess Babu has created, and she's literally sitting in between the mess that she has created. Ayo, what is this man? For breakfast we made sabudana khichdi, and the cook, it was her first time also, she didn't know how to make it, so the kadai was also not suitable for it, and adu mula lagla. What to tell in Kannada, in English, ಇದು ಮುಳ लागला सी तशत हे मुळ लागलात सकल करपला ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬರ್ಂಟ್ ಯಾ ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಂಟಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಮೇಲೆದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಈಗ ತಿಂತೇವೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಉಣಿಜೆಲ್ಲಿವೆ ಸಾಬುದಾನಕ apart from being burnt a little, the taste is good. Time is around 12:30 now. We gave a good bath to baby and put her to sleep. So she'll sleep for about an hour. And now I have another hour with me. I have two options: either to do some work, or like office work, or not office work, some editing work or any work I can do, or I can sleep. But by looking at my face, I bet you know I want to sleep. I'm feeling so sleepy. Oh. So I sat and I'm editing a vlog which comes out live now at 2 p.m. on 2nd of May. See, this is my problem. I don't sleep when the baby sleeps. This is a huge mistake, new moms. Do not do like me. I am an ass. Do not follow this. Sleep when the baby sleeps, and you'll be in a much better place mentally. Otherwise, it takes a toll on your health. I do all this nonsense, and then when a baby wakes up, I'll be like, "Ayo, needna." Yeah, the time is around 1 p.m. and the new nanny who joined yesterday has not come yet. Yesterday was her first day and she's not come yet. I think our Babu scared her to the max. Babu terrified her, and baby Gayatri's terror is such that the nanny ran away. What? Nanny quit the job in one day. Oh my god. I called her, she's ghosting me. She didn't pick my call. I sent her a text on WhatsApp. I sent her a voice message, no reply. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted.
One eternity later.
So I called the nanny now, and the nanny called back, and then she's saying she can't come today because the child is sick. Her child is about 6 years, it seems. Yesterday she was telling me that she leaves her child alone in the house and has come for work. I was shocked. I said, how old is he? She's saying he's 6 years old. She locks the door and he'll be inside. He has his play items, toys. He'll be playing with it and sitting in with it, and he'll be playing. I said, oh my god, he's also not a big kid. No, he's just 6 years old. I said. So she said, no, it's fine. And then we left her around 8 p.m. She went home, it seems. Now she's saying that it's too late for her. Her child was alone for all 8 hours, and that baby got scared, and he started crying heavily, and he didn't eat food also. It seems at night also he was so scared. So she's saying that this job won't suit her. She wants some job which will, give her break, like from one house. If she's cooking in one house, then she can go back to her house talk to the kid and feed it and come back and then go back to another house. So she can't spend 8 hours in one single house, she's saying. She quit the job. She's saying find somebody else. Yeah, so that's the nanny struggle. But yeah, we won't give up. I'll ask my other nanny who was coming before to continue till we find a full time nanny, or maybe request her itself to, come for full time. But she has other jobs. She has to quit that to join here. We'll see how it works. Earlier, once she used to play, my baby was the happiest with her. I was having second thoughts actually while leaving her, but looks like this is a sign to hire her back and ask her to join full time if she can quit her other jobs. We'll see how that goes. So my mom called and wished happy wedding anniversary and said kasa special kella. That's when I remembered on me kasa special kare hi nahi. We didn't do anything special. So then now we are making paisa. So we thought we'll make vermicelli kheer, shamai gorsha, shamai utpak. I don't know what you call it. So we cut badam and what's that? Kaju bee, cashews, and some more stuff here. So we'll add all this to this, and the artist is not ready to show his face. The artist.
Two 2,000 years later.
Look at the sky, it's purple kind of. Purple sky, bluish purple sky. Looks like it's going to rain, I don't know. आग लगी है वहाँ पे. So came back from evening walk with Babu, and what is that? Guruji has come. Wait. What's that? Wait, what's that?
Nothing.
What nothing? Huh? क्या सरप्राइज लेके आए हो?
Nothing.
उस साथ में क्या है? नथिंग वाले अंकल. क्या है उसमें? बेकिंग हो, केक मंगाए हो. ओ चलो केक काटेगा. कद्दू कटेगा तो सब में बटेगा. चलो केक काटते हैं. बेबी अभी केक को ये कर दी. गुस्से वाला है. हाँ हाँ, वो लड़की रूटी वही लग रही है.
वो खींच
वहाँ खींच के लेके जा रहा है.
वीडियो बनाते दीदी को किससे कैसे लेके
आई एम योर्स, नो रिफंड्स, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी. खींच के लेके जा रहा है वो.
वेस्ट हो गया वीडियो. ये गुस्सा हो गई.
So after having a paisa, that is shemaiya kheer, and the cake, now within no time this one is gone to play with mud. Now Guruji is saying he doesn't want dinner, and after listening to him I have also no wish of having dinner. Dinner plan cancelled. Again I'll eat kheer. Again I'll eat shemaiya kheer. Okay, in our language, in Konkani, we say Anna for father. Yeah, I know in Kannada you say for rice as Anna. But yeah, we say Anna for father. And Gayatri Babu says it in a cute way. She says Anni because she cannot say Na with the stress, I think. So this is how she makes it Anni. See, I'll make you see it. Make you hear. Baba, Anna ka sponja na? Wow. Anni. Anna ka sponja? Anni.
Anna Kasmancha?
Sleep time struggle. Not wanting to sleep and running away from wearing clothes. So yeah, I forgot to give you an update. what happened was the new nanny said no. She cannot manage, she said, because she has also a small baby and she cannot stay away from her house for 8 full hours. So she needs a job where she can go back to her house, spend some time with her baby, and come back. I was also shocked. How did she leave her 6-year-old kid alone in the house for 8 full hours? I was asking her, and she's saying, "नहीं नहीं वो खेल लेगा." Today she's saying he cried, and fell sick. Then I checked with the old nanny itself, and we talked to her, and now we have asked her if she can do full time because baby loves her, and she also loves the baby. She said she'll check and get back to us on Monday. I hope everything goes well. Yes, that's the thing about life. Everything's unpredictable. Who thought this would happen that the way it's happening? Nannies and with helps, these things are unpredictable. So that's how the day went. Total chaos, unpredictability, and both of us sick. A simple wedding anniversary where we cut a cake, and yeah, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you're new, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon. I upload one new video every week, one long video every week, and shorts almost daily. This week, I think I uploaded a lot of long videos. If I get good support, maybe I'll think of starting daily vlogging. I don't know daily vlogging, but maybe weekly 2 3 vlogs like these. What's happening in the house? And I got long weekend, no, May 1st, 2nd, 3rd. So that's how I can, um, vlog. Otherwise, it's very difficult with office. And thanks to everybody who wished us on our wedding anniversary. Thank you so much. Keep supporting me, and your support means the world to me. Thanks a lot. And let me know all your thoughts in the comments. How did you like the vlog? Feedback for me in the comments. I love reading your comments. And don't forget to hit the hype button. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.